Welcome back, Crammers, to question 18. The shaded region R shown in the diagram below is bounded by the straight line with the equation y is equal to 3x minus 2 and two other straight lines. Write down the three inequalities that define the region R. So firstly, let's label these lines. One of them is already given as y is equal to 3x minus 2. Now, if we look at this line, it's perfectly perpendicular to the x-axis, so it must mean here 3x is equal to 3. Moving on, we can find that this line is perfectly perpendicular to the y-axis, which is at 1. So that means y is equal to 1. But we're not done yet. When dealing with inequalities, if it is going up or to the right, it's greater than equal to. If it is going down or to the left, it is less than equal to. So let's start off with the answer they gave us. Y is equal to 3x minus 2. It is going down into R. So we can simply write y is less than equal to 3x minus 2. And then we'll do the next one we found, which is x is equal to 3. It is going to the left. Now it's going to the left. It is less than equal to. So when x is less than equal to 3. Now for the final one, y is equal to 1. We can see that it goes up into R. So we can write y is greater than or equal to 1. And that's our final answer. Thanks for watching. Cram, then